Hi, my name's Nick with SprinterStore.com, and today we've got another fun unboxing, getting ready for an install from Vanspeed. So let's check them out. So we got two big boxes, one obviously marked Vanspeed. This one's marked the Van Mart, although it is still a Vanspeed product. So let's start with the big boy here. For those of you who can't guess, this is a set of Vanspeed capsules. So these are the fiberglass window extensions you will get to attach to your van. So let's see what's inside the box. Now with the big boxes like this, they're stapled up, so kind of just got to give it a little bit of the beans. And there we go. Get that out of the way. So, nice layering cardboard to keep everything good and safe. And, oh, look at that beauty. We got a pair of their capsule pods for our 144 van. This one here is going to be the driver's side, and beneath it will be the passenger. Ours are cut out for a 11 by 33 window. And we ordered ours unprimed because we're gonna actually paint these ourselves after the install. So, two beautiful pieces. Really, really thick fiberglass, very well built, well packaged too. So you can get these either pre-painted or pre-coated in a kind of rhino liner material, or like we got them, just raw. So there's one of these guys, and it's beautiful, buddy. So again, these are gonna be great on the van. They give you a lot more thickness and a lot more room inside. So can't wait to see them installed. Down at the bottom of the box, we do have what I assume is a hardware kit. Let's get this guy open and see what came in here. Oh, awesome. So we have a wonderful little postcard thank you from Vanspeed, one of their stickers. And this kit does come with P2G Sikaflex. This is what you use to install windows and such. This is the glue. Comes with 3 tubes of this with 3 fittings, which is really nice. And a basic hardware kit. So we'll learn about that once we do the install coming next week.